Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, prepare yourselves for an unparalleled journey. Here, within these very walls, the wildest creatures of the cosmos roam free. Witness the Zodiac Zoo. Our first exhibit brings us to the most energetic of inhabitants. Behold the untamed spirit of the fire signs. And here we have the Aries exhibit. Observe the ram, nature's most enthusiastic battering ram. It sees a wall, it butts the wall. It sees another ram, it butts the ram. It just woke up, it's already decided to butt something. Always first to charge, rarely first to think. Next, the undisputed king of our zoo, the Leo lion. Notice its magnificent mane, its captivating gaze, and the profound inner monologue it's clearly having about how everyone should be watching it right now. Any other animal daring to draw attention away is swiftly reminded of its place. And over here, the perpetually restless Sagittarius, half horse, half existential crisis, always searching for greener pastures, often overshooting the mark with an arrow of unfiltered truth. Good luck getting them to stay in one exhibit for long. After that spirited display, let's visit our more grounded residents, the ones who are probably organizing their own exhibits right now. Introducing the Earth Signs, the formidable Taurus bull, unmovable, unshakable, and unapologetically dedicated to comfort and good snacks. Try to rush them, and you'll find yourself arguing with 1,000 pounds of pure, blissful inertia. This is their favorite spot, and they will die on this hill of clover. Down to the Virgo exhibit. Observe the tireless worker, constantly tidying, analyzing, optimizing. They see the flaws in the universe and are personally offended. If you leave a single fingerprint on their glass, they will know, and they will judge you. And finally, a Capricorn mountain goat, always ascending, always striving. They were born with a 401k plan and a vision board. Fun is a luxury to be earned after peak performance. They're not antisocial. They're just too busy conquering that metaphorical mountain to engage in frivolous banter. From the grounded, we ascend to the ethereal, the creatures whose minds are constantly buzzing, calculating, and sometimes just completely elsewhere. Brace yourselves for the air signs. Observe the Gemini parrots. They can debate with themselves, win both arguments, and then forget what they were talking about. 1 minute, they're your best friend. The next, they're gossiping about you with their reflection. They're not two-faced, they're just multifaceted and trying to keep up. And here, the Libra peacock, exquisitely balanced, striving for harmony, and utterly paralyzed by decision-making. Is my tail spread just right? Does it offend anyone? Is that other peacock judging my feathers? They are charming, but give them 2 identical seeds, and you've started a 6-hour philosophical debate. Behold the Aquarius aviary. These are the certified weirdos of the cosmos. They're not ignoring you. They're just already living in 2050, designing a better society where everyone gets free universal basic income and wears transparent jumpsuits. They care deeply about humanity, just not necessarily about your feelings. From the mind to the soul, prepare to dive deep, perhaps too deep, into the currents of emotion. Welcome to the mysterious habitat of the water signs. Here we have the Cancer crab, sweet, nurturing, and incredibly sensitive. One wrong look, and they retreat into their perfectly curated shell, probably to rewatch sad movies and bake cookies. They collect memories like treasures, and they will protect their loved ones with surprising ferocity. And now, the Scorpio exhibit. Do not mistake their silence for weakness. They see through your soul, they know your secrets, and they've already planned 3 different ways to take you down, just in case. Intense, loyal, and possessive. Don't betray them or you'll regret it for all eternity. Finally, we drift into the realm of the Pisces fish, the old souls, the dreamers, perpetually swimming in the deep waters of their imagination. They absorb everyone else's emotions and frequently forget where they left their car keys or which dimension they're currently in. Bless their gentle artistic hearts. And so concludes our grand tour of the Zodiac Zoo, from the fiery rams to the dreamy fish. A truly magnificent, if slightly chaotic collection of cosmic personalities. Which exhibit did you feel most at home in? Let us know your sign in the comments below, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures.